5 facts about the solar eclipse. 1. A solar eclipse occurs when the Sun, the Moon, and Earth are aligned, or in syzygy. The Moon, directly between the Sun and Earth, casts a shadow on our planet. If you're in the dark part of that shadow, the umbra, you'll see a total eclipse. If you're in the light part, the penumbra, you'll see a partial eclipse. 2. A solar eclipse only happens at new moon. The Moon has to be between the Sun and Earth for a solar eclipse to occur. The only lunar phase when that happens is new moon. 3. This will be the first total solar eclipse in the continental US, in 7 years. The last one occurred August 21, 2017. It crossed the country from Oregon to South Carolina, and millions of people viewed it successfully. Before that one, you have to go back to February 26, 1979. And it will be 20 years until the next one, August 23, 2044. 4. Solar eclipses don't occur at every new moon. The reason is that the Moon's orbit is tilted 5 deg compared to Earth's orbit around the Sun. Astronomers call the two intersections of these paths nodes. Eclipses only occur when the Sun lies at one node and the Moon is either at the same node for solar eclipses or at the opposite node for lunar eclipses. During most lunar months, the Sun lies either above or below one of the nodes, and no eclipse occurs. 5. Eclipse totalities are different lengths. The reason the total phases of solar eclipses vary in time is because Earth is not always at the same distance from the Sun, and the Moon is not always the same distance from Earth. The Earth-Sun distance varies by 3% and the Moon-Earth distance by 12%. The result is that the Moon's apparent diameter can range from 10% smaller to 7% larger than the Sun's.